As a creator from outside of the US, I always find it fascinating looking at construction, and here is Universal Studios Orlando, Florida, where we can see the new Fast and the Furious coaster going up. Obviously, we've been following the one that's being built over the other side of the country, and it looks crazy. This Intamin coaster just looks crazy, but I mean, it wasn't that long ago that Rip Ride Rocket was sitting here, and as you can see, supports are on site and are going in. This is going to be a huge coaster featuring a 170-foot spike, but mainly it's the spinning cars that have really got us. Now, we are kind of looking at this over here in the UK because we are going to be getting Universal UK opening and potentially a Back to the Future ride, which I wouldn't mind betting is going to be very similar to this. But crazy for me that Rip Ride Rocket was here not that long ago, and that has just been completely torn down. Now we have these huge, and these are huge Intamin supports in, but we also have some track in as well. Now this is taking up quite a lot of space. I'm sure anyone that's over in Orlando and are following this obviously on the channels out there will see more of it, but this is the 9th of May, so this is brand new, straight off sort of the bat what is going on over there, as this ride I believe is due to open in 2027. Whilst I'm not super keen on Fast and the Furious, quite frankly, anything that gets supercharged closed and get something in that's a little bit more Fast and the Furious is good with me. We've lost quite a lot of iconic buildings, and again, as a visitor from out of state, you know, it's nice to come and see some of these famous sort of building replicas. Of course, the whole landscape is changing as we have track, what I believe is station transfer track over at the back. But this is the new Fast and Furious coaster coming to Universal Studios in Orlando very soon. We can't wait. We can't wait to get back out there. Next time we go back out there, this will still be being built, and of course, we'll go back out to ride it once it's open.